dark side of options trading. What spawned me to make this video, I've seen several YouTube individuals posting some things on YouTube trying to make the options trading look like it's very, very simple. And as an experienced stock and options trader, what I'm trying to do is educate some of you on the options game. Now, the video I seen, the young lady said some BS talking about, oh, an upside call for $45. That's a deal. I think I'll buy that. And when I seen that video, I just laughed because there's $45 options all over the entire stock market. And just because an option is $45, $35, or even $25 does not necessarily mean that that option is going to take off and put on some money. Now, this is my personal opinion. If you have no stock trading experience, you truthfully have no business at all trading options. There are steps to this market. It's like there's steps to everything you do in life, but a lot of people love to jump over the first step and go straight to the second, third, and fourth step, and they have no knowledge of the first step. And the first step is the most crucial. So, with the importance of stock trading in mind, if you smartly use your stock knowledge, you can make some money with the options. But to you backwards cats jumping in trying to buy the options and have no idea about the stock, don't know what type of company it is, how many employees they got, who's the CEO, where they located, let alone even what is the company dealing in, what are they making, what are they producing or manufacturing. A lot of these questions determine how fast or how slow a stock will move. And just jumping into a naked putt or a naked call and not having any idea of what type of stock you're investing in, that is the type of BS that I frown upon and that I am trying to hopefully correct. Now, I do have a website which is coming soon. I'm still building it myself. It's going to take me a couple weeks to get everything the way that I would like it to be. But until then, I will periodically put out YouTube videos to try and inform the masses of the African American community and the Robinhood traders. Now, for my Robinhood stash, the new brokerage houses, traders, there are some things you guys should be aware of. And I just want to bring this out. I named this video the dark side of options trading. And literally, in the options games, and most of you experience or people who have lost enough money trying to trade options can vouch for what I'm about to say. A lot of times, they try to trick us. And the way that they trick us, they do what they call sweeps. And the call sweeps are placed in there momentarily. Now, if you do not believe anything I'm saying, all you got to do is take one of these giant meme stocks that all these inexperienced traders are jumping in here basically getting demolished. Some of them are making money, but most of them are losing money. Look at one of these meme stocks and take a snapshot of the options change. The action that you see on the volume is supposed to roll over until the open interest. But on all of the meme stocks, this process has not been happening, whether it be for puts or calls. Now, what is done is basically they're fictitiously putting in front of you some action that's no way in hell going to take place. And none of you have been trading long enough as to whereas you have an increment of an idea of what I'm talking about. You see a lot of action, you run in there to it, and you think you're going to get paid, and the action is a trick. So, please, 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 please be careful with your hard-earned money in there buying puts or calls on stocks you have no fucking idea. Damn, I cursed. No idea where the stock has been, where the stock is going, what the company is making, who the CEO is, how many employees they have, if any, or anything. Do some research. The more research you do on the stock, the better it is for you. And to all the young men and women out there that know what I'm talking about, my solution to the problem is to stay the fuck away from options. You will see your money in a stock. And options, whether you know this or not, options have a depreciation value and a appreciation value, meaning that the underlying option that you have purchased, the next day, it is guaranteed to go up a little bit or lose a little bit, depending on where you are.